Hi, we're going to learn and practice how to take our pulse today. And when we're feeling our pulse, what we're feeling is each beat of our heart. So when we count the pulses that we feel, we're counting the number of beats of our heart. So let's go ahead and practice. We're going to take 2 fingers just like this. It doesn't matter which hand, but we're only going to do 1 hand at a time. So take 2 fingers. You're going to find the bone of your jaw here. You're going to find the jawbone in your face. It's just under your ear. And what you're going to do is go under the jawbone onto your neck, and you're going to sort of gently kind of feel your way along. And when you get close to your throat here on the side, you should be able to start to feel your pulse or the beats of your heart, the blood going through your carotid artery. So you feel it, and let me count mine out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm counting, I'm saying a number each time I'm feeling that pulse or that blood pumping up through the artery. So I'm not just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm not just counting, I'm actually counting when I feel a beat. And if you can't find it, it's not that you don't have a pulse, it's that you haven't found it yet, because everybody has a pulse. If you're alive, your heart is beating. So the pulse is there. You just have to kind of poke around in there, not too hard, gently, but with a little pressure, just to find it. And it's easier if you're not talking to find it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you have a hard time finding it, or if your pulse is really faint, it probably means you're not very active right now. So if you kind of jump up and down a few times, get your blood pumping a little bit, and then let's try it. Now I can feel mine a little stronger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can count your heartbeat. So what we're going to be doing is, once you've practiced that and you're able to get it, I have a countdown timer on the slide that you can click on. And so when you get to that countdown timer, you have to set it for 6. You're going to put in the number 6, and you're going to push the set button, and then that'll give you an egg timer and a start. And when you push start, it'll start counting down from 6 to 0. So it's timing you for 6 seconds. So as soon as you push the start button, what you would want to do is use 2 hands. So you'd want to find your pulse with one, you'd want to push the start button on your computer with the other, and then it'll start to count down. You don't need to watch it because it'll ring when it's done. So you'll just be counting 1, 2, 3 until you hear the bell ring. When you hear the bell ring, you stop counting. And you've counted your heartbeats in 6 seconds. And if you look on the slide, I'll show you how we get the number for beats out of a minute.